Okay, last time it was accounts payable and account FBL1N. Company code was CA40,
SA40 जी सर
SA40,
जी सर
and CA41.
जी सर ये मर्ज हो गया था
वही मैच हो गया था. CA41, SA40. Get variant. Get variant is SA40, CA41. Okay. Execute. Okay. We have 12,000 in open line item and in SA40. And that's it. Okay. Now we have to clear it. We can also clear it with outgoing payment F dash 43. F dash 43. 2000. F4. SA40. F4. Cash PKR amount 1. Baba Yega. Account F4. $49016. Process open items. Not defined in this area. Okay. Tax relevant accounts not defined. Okay. FS00. SA40 liquid funds, cash PKR. Tax category, all tax types, posting without tax also allowed. Okay. Now let's configure taxation. SPRO, IMG. Financial accounting. Global settings. Tax on sales and purchases. Basic settings. Calculation procedure. Access sequence condition type procedures. SCP. Sequences. Get tax, tax J, tax R, sales tax input, get tax. US taxes, accesses, tax classification, fields, country, and tax code. This is the sequence. Sequence is it will first ask you the country and then it will ask for the tax code. Okay. This is how it will be initiated. Constant value source, constant value can be any country and tax code can be any country. Initial value, JTax, tax classification, we use MWST, accesses, tax classification, country code, and tax code. Fields, country, and tax code. Accesses, country, and tax code. Okay, MWST, MWST. Keep this in mind. You can also copy this and make your own page up. If you go to Brazil, accesses, dynamic key, country, dynamic key 1, 2, 3, tax group. Country, material, taxes on the material, dynamic key. This is country Brazil. Dynamic key is X. X tax group is 5. Now tax group can be for the category of material. GST for India. Destination country, vendor registration, plant registration, GST class, tax indicator, control code. Then country, then tax. Destination country, region, region of division plant based on country and regions and region of delivery plant and vendor classification. This is how Indian tax code is defined, right? F1. If you set the initial in a field, it has the following functions. During pricing in business document, indicator causes to access the condition if the field and document header item is initial. During pricing in a business, indicate allows initial value to be returned if an automatic return transfer data from the condition what is determined upon access. If you're creating a changing condition, you can enter the initial value for this field. Vendor classification can be initialized. Okay, this is how tax sequence is defined. This is sequence based on laws. Then comes in condition types. Condition types is MWST. Input tax, this is for sales, MWVS and MWAS. MWAS is this is output tax. We will work with input tax. Double click input tax access sequence in the last step. This is the classification, country and country tax code that will derive input tax. Condition class will be taxes. It will be calculated as percentage and category will be tax deductions, exemptions, charges, not deductible, base amount, including tax costing, standard cost, moving cost based on this. So this is our tax. Okay. Okay. Rest, we keep it as a standard. MWVS. Input tax is our defined procedures. Okay, PK tax, this is our procedure. PK tax, sales tax, control data. Okay. Now, input tax. From 100. 100 is step 100, which is base amount. MWVS is input tax. This is condition, the third part. And account key based on this VST. Accounts will be integrated. Okay. This is how it will be integrated. Once this is done, then we can move on to next step. Okay. Position PK tax. That's the procedure we already created. Change settings for tax processing. MVS. VST, sorry, VST. Input tax. This is input tax. Tax type is input tax. Input tax, additional tax not relevant to tax. Input tax. Non-deductible. No, this is deductible. VST. Other than that, after basic setting, we go to calculation. Tax codes for sales and purchases. PK, country code. Then tax code. F7. 7% filer. Services. Tax type. Input tax. Continue. VST. VST is input tax. 7.00. 7%. Over here is tax accounts. Save was created. Enter tax accounts. SA40 chart of accounts. We give accounts over here. Rule not specified. Okay. Rule. Properties. Tax type. Check ID inactive. VST. Save. Calculation. Posting. Define tax accounts. VST 40 and 50 is debit and credit. Rules. Chart of account. SA40. SA40 is not here. SA40 tax code country. Save. SA40. Rules. SA40. Accounts. New entries. Tax code F7. Country PK. GL account. We have to make a GL account. FS00. Tax 80300. 80300. Input tax filer. Input tax filer, and this can be 7%. You can keep separate accounts, but I'll keep it broadly. Control data, balances local currency, tax category, input tax. Input tax. Input tax account, posting without tax allowed, no. Reconciliation, no. Open item management, no, because this is direct expense. Expenses are not open item. 001, posting date, create bank interest, post automatically, yes. Clearing account, adjustment, cost accounts, change in stock, tax office, clearing, save. 80300, 80300, save. Calculation, tax code, PK, H7, tax accounts, SA40, 80300. Okay, automatically it has copied it. This is how you configure sales tax.